Hey guys, today I'm going to unboxing the F1 McLaren remote control car. So, it looks just like a real thing because it has number 4 on it. So it's because it has the Android logo on it. So, I wish I could go to F1 Canadian racetrack so I could see Sonny Hayes in 2026. So, anyway, let's unboxing this. Alright. So, turn this. Now remove it. Now check this out. Alright, here's the stickers. Put on. Alright. 1 second. I'm gonna put all the stickers and I'll get back to the video. There. Now all the stickers are finally complete, ready. So, would you look at this? It's like a real thing. So, thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video. Have a great time.